Hello, hey guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Instagram has been open, but any iPhone the error problems and error problems. The claim cache of Instagram cancelled before this app has been business try to closing. This app has been clear first and this repost this opening cancel the error problem and different and something with wrongs error problems but any problem the update this video to watching and step by step the resolve the issue. First of all the open the play store play store the open the Instagram app selected the press the app Instagrams and the settings and privacy waiting and the storage and cache and the open claim storage and claim cache don't selected the app has been stopped format stopped the OK backup and internet connections and Wi-Fi router and completed 10 seconds now and the Play Store open and update the Instagram app iPhone Android the updated completed now.